Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Would you like to transfer your WordPress website from Localhost to cPanel? Well, you've come to the right place. Moving your site from a local server to a live server might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, it's actually quite manageable and will guide you through every step. This video is designed for beginners who have created a website on their local machine using WordPress and are now ready to make it accessible to the public. By following these instructions, you will learn how to export your WordPress database, transfer your website files, and update the necessary settings to ensure a smooth transition from localhost to cPanel. Think of it as moving your website from your personal computer to the big, wide web. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started on making your website go live. Before you begin the process of transferring your WordPress website from localhost to cPanel, make sure you have the following. 1. A fully functional WordPress site on localhost. This should include all your content, plugins, and configurations set up and ready to be moved to the live server. 2. Access to your cPanel account. You will need to have access to your cPanel hosting account with the necessary login credentials and permissions to manage your hosting account. 3. FTP client. You will need an FTP, File Transfer Protocol client, such as FileZilla, to upload your WordPress files from your local machine to the cPanel server. 4. Database management tool. To transfer your WordPress database, you will need a database management tool such as phpMyAdmin, which is typically available in your cPanel dashboard. With these prerequisites in place, you can proceed to the next steps of the transfer process. Step 1. Backup your local WordPress site. Before you begin, it's crucial to create a backup of your local site. This backup will serve as a safety net in case anything goes wrong during the transfer process, allowing you to restore your website to its previous state. Step 2. Export the local database. Next, you need to export your local database. This step ensures that all your website data, including posts, pages, comments, and settings, are transferred correctly to the new server. Step 3. Create a new database on cPanel. Creating a new database on the live server is necessary because your local WordPress installation is configured to use a specific database. This is different from the one on your cPanel hosting account. Step 4. Upload WordPress files to cPanel. To transfer your WordPress files from your local machine to your cPanel hosting account, you will need to use an FTP client. FTP allows you to securely upload and download files between your local computer and the remote server. Step 5. Import the database to cPanel. To complete the transfer, you need to import the database you exported earlier into your new cPanel database. This step ensures that all your website content, settings, and configurations are transferred to the live server. Step 6. Update the wp-config.php file. After uploading your WordPress files and importing the database, you need to update the wp-config.php file with the new database credentials. This file contains the necessary information for your WordPress site to connect to the correct database. Step 7. Fix any broken links and update URLs. After transferring your WordPress website, it's essential to update any internal links and URLs that may have been affected by the move. This ensures that all links point to the new live URL. Step 8. Test your website. Finally, thoroughly test your site to ensure that everything is working as expected. This step is essential to identify and fix any issues that may have arisen during the transfer process. Congratulations! You've successfully moved your WordPress website from your local computer to a live cPanel hosting server. Now your WordPress website is live and accessible to everyone through your domain with all your content, settings, and configurations intact. Remember, regular backups and maintenance are key to keeping your WordPress site secure and up to date. Keep an eye on your website, update your plugins and themes, and perform regular backups to ensure the long-term success of your online presence. If you run into any issues or have questions during the transfer process, don't hesitate to reach out to your hosting provider or a WordPress expert for help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. See you in the next video.